Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by the Marvin.
Show Stibo.
Le Marvin Jr.
How are you, Stibos?
Remnant. Yes.
Kitswere tawolo today, Stibo.
Yeah.
Ogana wa phumulanyana ka
Hi man,
ogana wa phumulanyana.
No.
It used for phumula dikeledi, phumula di. So I brought it along for phumula dikeledi tama Pirates. No, let me go back to the games.
Yes.
I will start by saying Cardoso.
Yeah.
He's here to work, Stibo.
Here to work.
Yeah, he's here to work, and he used everything in his disposal. Yeah. Everything that is in disposal, he used it to his full ability.
Advantage.
Look, let's start from the formation. Yes. We're playing 4-3-3, Steve.
Yes.
At the back, every time we knew Hore Renale Malbonge Khoza in the starting level.
Yes.
Today he surprised Pirate. He took Malbonge Khoza and not utilizing.
Yeah.
And brought Suarez. So if you look at our back four, or should I say five?
Yes.
Ronza, right Morena,
yeah.
Center Kana Grant,
yeah.
And then it was Suarez,
yes.
And then it was Moody.
Yes.
So if you look at all these names that I'm talking about, Steve,
yeah.
They are international players.
They are.
Yeah. So experience always count.
It matters.
It really counts. At the middle of the park, we had three.
Yes.
With his Adams,
Jaden,
Mukwena, and Allende. But movement, I said it, give us super sport. Or movement wa Sundowns players confuses players, confuses the opponents. Because of it was Makaola in the middle, Maketleni,
yeah.
and Gamin.
Shenko.
Yeah, it's 2 against 5.
Hand to hand.
So Sundowns overloading the middle field, and you know Hema Kaola and Dlamini are not able to function.
Yes.
Tito and Mufokeng are not able to get supply.
No ball for them.
No. So we suffocated Pirate in the middle of the field. Engine is suffocating the Pirate. So supply. If you are a player all along, they rely on you with the ball.
Yes.
Then when the supply is cut supply, you are not effective in the field. So space for Tito and for Rele was minimized because of if you said you want to go to the attack position near Pirate, you get a solid back four. If you go to the middle field, you get a solid back five, middle field 5.
Yeah.
So spaces are how to utilize or to play. It's limited.
Very limited.
You get what I mean?
Very limited.
So how Sundowns suffocated Pirate, we deny space for Rele to play. And Tito was playing sideways. He was playing, taking the ball. He played right, left, and you are not effective and posing any danger because you play. It's what we want. If we are here, you play sideways, left, right. There's no threat.
Yes.
So the striker was isolated. You can check how many shot on goal did he get. I think 0. And you're a strike. But you cannot blame him. He didn't get support or he didn't get supply.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So what we did was Shalulile was rotating to left.
Yeah.
Where there's Marco.
Yeah.
Marco liked to overlay.
Yes.
But we said Shalulile, you don't chase too much today.
Yeah.
If you saw, Gamia Shalulile, he chases each and every ball.
Exactly.
But today we said store your energy Stay there. Marco Apusha, stay there when.
Relax.
But Marco was now cautious or ish. Diman o pilanze mo achase. So I had to concentrate on
him
on applying this. But the winner was the coach in terms of working, Steve. Ukadoso, he's here to work.
Man of the match, Marvin.
Man of the match was between Mokoena and Ribeiro. But Ribeiro, to everyone who is the main man. He's the main man. Nothing can be said but to compete with your direct competition. Thank you very much, Tibo.
Marvin.
Yeah.